Hi, I'm Jeremy Pollack. I'm a social organizational psychologist with a specialty in peace and conflict psychology. A baseline conflict really results from the perception that one's needs, goals, values are impeded or threatened. So if one feels like their fundamental needs or their goals or their values are being impeded or threatened, they are by definition in a baseline conflict. And when slowing down your speech, you want to slow it down enough so you can really enunciate your words. You can hear yourself articulating your words very clearly. The more you start to feel someone else's agitation, and if you start to feel defensive, probably you're going to have to balance that out internally by taking your own speech a little bit slower and a little bit down in tone and volume. Someone's bringing you an issue, and what you first want to do is just repeat back the issue that they brought to you. So you're just helping them feel heard here, and you're making sure that you actually heard what they said correctly or accurately. So you might say, okay, I understand. So you want a refund on that fee because it's something you didn't expect. Does that sound right? All right, here's how it might sound. I understand. You didn't like the meal and you want a refund. I'm very sorry the food was not satisfactory. So don't worry, you're in good hands. Let me see what I can do. And if you have to get them to align with you and you have to explain your side or position, you could say something like, as you can imagine, we've had a lot of theft from people claiming they didn't like the meal after eating it. I realize that's not the case here, but you can understand, right?
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Okay, great.
How old are you?
Don't worry about it.
Exactly. You're working with a little ass kid.
You need to act like a little ass kid and watch your mouth. I need somebody's number.
So this customer-facing person is now cussing at the customer. I understand it's difficult sometimes. You get frustrated when a customer's being rude or insulting you in some way. So in this situation, it depends. Like, what is the strategy you want? Do you want to de-escalate things or not? This is again called pre-escalation strategizing. Super important, because if we can stop escalated situations before they happen, then we don't have to necessarily de-escalate. Then we don't have to experience someone's spontaneous aggression or their escalated state.